Hi and welcome to Beautiful Within. So as part of my Go Green series, today I'll be reviewing the Soultree products. Soultree is a product brand which manufactures natural and organic products. Most of their products are paraben free. Also, in addition to making paraben free products, they also have a small chain of makeup products where they make kajals and they make lipsticks, which are also paraben and mica free. So I will be reviewing certain of the products from the Soultree range now. The first one, as all of you would know, is a holy grail for me, which is Soultree Cleanser. This is aloe and rosewater cleanser with skin toning licorice. This is, as all of you would know, this is my go-to makeup remover. It does not sting my eye, which is great. Some of the herbal ones do. So this is one product that I always go to. Great at removing all sorts of impurities, makeup, and especially it's very good for removing eye makeup because it does not sting the eye even like one bit. So which is why it's really good. I will be linking down the prices below. By the way, it does not contain any parabens or silicons. So this is my first one. I would actually recommend you to give this a try if you have not already tried it, because this product is really nice. Second, I've tried their face wash, which is their Nutgrass and Neem Amrita face wash. This is specially for oily skin. I have emptied almost more than half of the bottle of this. This was a sample that was given to me. Now with this, I like the face wash. It removes impurities. It gives a very nice fragrance also to my skin. Just a tad bit of dryness was an issue that I had. So I have extremely oily skin, but still it was making my skin a tad bit too dry, which is why I might not repurchase this. But let's say if your skin is very oily, or on days when you've just stepped out for a very long time, and after that you want to have a refreshing face wash where you might not, there's so much oil in your skin that you actually want something which dries it out, this face wash really works well. Of course, it has a very smooth nutgrass smell, so which is why it again becomes worth a try. Next is again a product from Soultree, the Amrita range only, which is the moisturizer with apricot oil and honey with kokum butter. Now this is a moisturizer which I've been using during my travels. So this is one moisturizer which does its work, but again just similar to the face wash, its benefits do not last for a very long time. So I have used certain moisturizers where my skin is moisturized for at least 5 to 6 hours after I've applied the moisturizer. With this, it only lasts 2 to 3 hours, post which my skin again starts feeling dry. So this is for all skin types. No skin type is actually mentioned, but I guess kokum butter should have done that thing that at least for 5-6 hours my skin was hydrated, but it didn't hydrate my skin very much. But again, if you want to use it for a shorter duration, this is a very good moisturizer as well. Also the honey smell of the moisturizer gives it a very pleasant smell. So it is worth a try at least once, but I still do not count it as my holy grail moisturizer. So this is the third product. Fourth product is the Soultree Kajal. So I took the Kajal in copper brown. This is the color. I'll give you a swatch also of it. This is the swatch. These are good, well pigmented kajals. They have a very wide range of colors as well. Mostly I had most colors of kajal. I had blue, green, purple and all sorts. So I did not have a brown kajal, which is why I chose it. I've already applied it on my eyes a little, so you can just see if you're able to see. Mostly this would not be as stark as a black kajal, of course, like the way black kajals are, or maybe even blue kajals are. But this one, because of its herbal and camphor ingredients and camphor in it, this is very soothing for my eye. So on days when you're having irritation in your eye, or let's say when you do not want to apply too much of a kohl kind of a look, but you still want something in your eye, this is a very good pick for that day. Which is why I wanted to choose a neutral, black or brown kind of a color which I can use for daily wear. So and one more thing, this kind of copper brown color, like this kind of color, actually elongates, what shall I say, widens your eyes a little. So it will make your eyes appear a little wide, because the light is going to reflect and make your eyes appear a little big. So I've applied it on my waterline, on my tight line, and above on the upper eyelid. which is like I feel my eyes are very soothing right now. So it has a wide range of color. You can go to the Soultree website also and see it. Now I have not tried the Soultree lipsticks for the sole reason that one lipstick was around 500 rupees. So which is why I felt that it was too much to be spending on a lipstick from a new brand. So I've not tried their lipsticks right now. Also I have like too many lipsticks, so I was not into trying too many more lipsticks. So currently I'm actually buying lipsticks which are less than, let's say, 300-400 rupees. Those Color Balm and Maybelline and other ones. Maybelline I don't use because of an allergy, but otherwise those lipsticks I did not use them for the sole reason, but I've not heard the best reviews about the Soultree lipsticks, but they are really good. My pick for a herbal lipstick would be Iba Halal instead of Soultree, because they are economical and they provide the same benefits, that is, they don't have parabens and silicons and also mica in it. So, but for the 4 products of Soultree that I have used till now, I am actually very happy with and optimistic of the Soultree range. Cleansing Milk has become like my holy grail, but otherwise as well, these products I use on like a regular basis. I have tried like the sample size, I've almost emptied them. The Kajal also works wonders. So I would say that you do try out certain of these products, whichever suit your needs and requirements, and do tell me how you liked it. So this was my 3rd review on the Go Green series. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a really nice day. Bye.